Alright, this is exciting. We have the electric siren kit. So here it is. Close up of how it should be. These resistors can be put in any direction. These diodes have to be in a certain direction. They can't just be put in willy-nilly. This capacitor does have polarity to it as well. So that has to be put in the correct direction as well. There's that stripe. Okay, let's take a look at the soldering. Whoa, is this nice? This is done by Angel. Great job, Angel. He's done a few hundred of these. Let's look at the battery and give this siren okay, here it is. It's gonna make some sound now, so that's fun. And there you have the kit. Good job.